Hey there! Welcome back to Fun and Learn, your ultimate destination for exciting and educational content. Today, we have something really special in store for you. We'll be delving into the fascinating world of dice problems in ICSE Maths. Yes, you heard it right, we'll be tackling some dice problems and providing their solutions step by step. 2 fair dice are rolled. Find the probability of getting a sum of 7. Probability of getting a sum of 7 equals number of favorable outcomes, total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes equals 6 times 6 equals 36. Number of favorable outcomes equals 6, 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1. Probability of getting a sum of 7 equals 6/36 equals 1/6. Two dice are rolled. Find the probability of getting a sum less than 4. Probability of getting a sum less than 4 equals number of favorable outcomes, total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes equals 6 times 6 equals 36. Number of favorable outcomes equals 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Probability of getting a sum less than 4 equals 3/36 equals 1/12. Three dice are rolled. Find the probability of getting all even numbers. Probability of getting all even numbers equals number of favorable outcomes, total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes equals 1, 2, 2, 2. Probability of getting all even numbers equals 1/216. Problem 4. 2 dice are rolled. Find the probability of getting a sum greater than 10. Probability of getting a sum greater than 10 equals number of favorable outcomes, total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes equals 6 times 6 equals 36. Number of favorable outcomes equals 3, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. Probability of getting a sum greater than 10 equals 3/36 equals 1/12. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love math or may find these dice problems intriguing. And don't forget to subscribe to Fun and Learn for more exciting math content that will keep your brain buzzing.